As with all small spaces, the challenge was to make it seem bigger. I wanted to create continuity and fluidity between the spaces, to create a simple, natural design with warm and durable materials. I think it's important to have fun when decorating your home. I love natural, graphic materials and adding a small touch of eccentricity. The apartment is located in Jourdain, next to Belleville area in the 20th arrondissement of Paris. This area is a bit like a village with a beautiful church, a lively neighborhood life, and not far from Les Buttes-Chaumont, a famous park in Paris. The building was constructed at the end of the 18th century. It was built as a residential block. It's very beautiful with its stone facade and old moldings. My client had some specific ideas about the layout he wanted. The light was an important consideration in this project, as the apartment was quite dark. The glass wall between the dining room and the bedroom is currently trendy and often asked by my clients. But for this project, I wanted to design it in a way that it looks like it has always been a part of the apartment. When we first found the apartment, it was poorly maintained and lacked soul. The apartment was previously used as a share house, so there were no common spaces. There were 2 bedrooms, a common toilet and a small kitchen. We totally changed the floor plan and removed all of the inside walls. We created a new kitchen by the entrance of the apartment. A bedroom with a large ensuite bathroom and separate toilet, and a cozy living room with a central dining room. The apartment opens up directly to the kitchen, so a part of the kitchen is also the entrance. Coats and outerwear can be hung on the hooks behind the front door. The kitchen is along the wall. It is quite large for this size apartment and equipped with everything you need. The kitchen counter is made from oak, and I put some textured white tiles for the backsplash. There is a big fridge, a dishwasher, an oven and an induction hob. I chose to use white facades to make this narrow space more spacious. The floor is covered with terracotta and red colored patterned cement tiles. The dining room marks the articulation between the kitchen and the living room. The old wooden floor has been restored and runs into the bedroom, toilets and living room. The glass from the wall dividing bedroom and dining rooms allows natural light to spill into the dining area. We chose a large vintage table from the 50s and 4 vintage chairs from the 70s for the dining room. Above the dining table, there are 2 blue ceramic pendant lights. The living room faces the main window with the balcony. I custom designed some shelves and closets at each end of the window. We chose not to install too much furniture to make it simple. The client loves listening to music and he has a great record collection, so we made this the central part of the living room. When he wants to watch a movie, he can pull down a projector screen from the ceiling. we added a lamp next to the vinyl cabinet. And we put lights on the walls. It creates a nice atmosphere in the evenings. The bedroom can be seen from the living room. From the outset, my client wanted a terracotta wall. It is a color that has some meaning to him. It gives depth, and the terracotta color can be seen from everywhere in the space. Along one wall, there is a floor-to-ceiling wardrobe that spans the entire bedroom. It has a lot of space for clothes and household items. Below the window, between the dining room, there is a cupboard for more storage. When the client wants to work from home, there is a pull-out desk here too. There are two wall-mounted lights on either side of the window. It makes a comfortable space to work in the evening, but also helps to illuminate the dining space on the other side. I custom designed the bedside tables. They are small and have a tiny footprint, perfect for this space. There are two lamps on either side of the bed for bedtime reading. The bathroom is quite large and bright with two windows. It's all white in order to bring out the cement tile floor, which are the same as the ones in the kitchen. The washing machine is inside of a floor-to-ceiling storage closet. The sink and vanity are in the brightest corner of the bathroom. There is a large mirror which helps reflect the light from the windows, and floating shelves made from the same oak as the kitchen. The vertical lights on each side of the mirror are the same as the ones in the bedroom. As an architect, I like simplicity and fluidity. I often use few different materials, so the space can feel larger and not overloaded. Parisian apartments are often tiny, but they are a refuge in this big city. I think it is essential to renovate existing buildings in order to adapt them to our current lifestyle. In Paris, we are fortunate to have high-quality existing buildings full of potential that we should repurpose and make use of them.
We love inspiring you with our YouTube videos, so here's a special bundle from our store to inspire you even more. It includes our new essential guide to your living room, a digital guide packed with expert tips and tricks to help you transform your living room into the perfect space, and our first hardcover book featuring 30 of our favorite small footprint homes, filled with detailed floor plans and gorgeous photography. The bundle is available worldwide from our store just for you. You're welcome!
Thanks for watching, and if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.